Golden Sands Nature Park. A tourist resort in the middle of a nature reserve surrounded by forests as far as the eye can see. Here is an interesting combination found only in Golden Sands, a natural park located only 17 kilometers northeast of the city of Varna. In 1943, the area was declared protected, without anyone imagining that in only a few years, here will be one of the most famous resorts on the Bulgarian coast. The routes you can go through within the park take a few hours and start at the Tourist Visitor Center and are optimized for children, people with disabilities, or visually impaired people. And this is not all. In the lush vegetation forest, you will discover a medieval monastery, the Aladzha Monastery, in fact, a complex of medieval Christian-Orthodox monasteries carved in rocks in a 25-meter-high karst hill. The ensemble is structured on several levels. The energy of the place is special. Even the wooded hills around the monastery, known as Hachuka, Mount of the Cross, are considered by the locals to be sacred. Project: Development and promotion of a common natural heritage product. Route: Protected natural heritage within the cross-border region Romania-Bulgaria is co-financed by the European Union through European Regional Development Fund under the Interreg 5A Romania-Bulgaria program.